In this video, we are going to see how we can deal with the payments of fixed assets and also payment for liabilities. As we can see here in these two transactions, computer purchase by giving cash and loan paid by cash. So let's see how we can deal with this in Tele. From the daybook, if you want to switch directly to the voucher creation mode, I'll just hold the alternate key and press A, Alt A. Just go to the payments from the right hand corner and make sure the date is 31st of January, because in education version we have to make sure that it's either 1st, 2nd and 31st. So I prefer to keep all of these dates at 31st. So first transaction is office equipment, which is paid by cash. Select cash here and office equipment. We don't have this ledger, we need to create it. Office equipment, which comes under fixed asset. Hit enter and enter, skip through all of these. Payment amount is 18,000. Hit enter. Go to the narration, just copy and paste this narration right here and press Ctrl A to save. Next one we have is loan of Standard Chartered Bank partly repaid by cash. On the first sheet, if we notice, we have the loan liability account, which was recorded as 500,000. So it is now partly repaid. That means half of the amount is being cleared. Again, alternate A to move to the payments. Click on the payment voucher, make sure the date is correct. And we are paying by cash, right? And it's against the Standard Chartered Bank loan account. The balance, as we can see here, 500,000, but we are paying 250,000 out of this. And narration, I'll just simply copy and paste this right here. It's a very simple transaction. That's why I am quickly going through it. So you can check the earlier transactions and even repeat the video many times if you have some confusion. So press Ctrl A and this is how you can book both of the payment vouchers in Tele Prime. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.